Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling what actually burns: tinder, kindling, and fuel. Lay a small tinder pile in the center and arrange kindling over it like a teepee to promote airflow. Make sure wood is dry; damp material smothers flames. Once done, position your fuel logs nearby so you can feed the fire without disturbing the structure. Keep tools, lighter, matches, or ferro rod, ready. You're creating a controlled environment where heat, fuel, and oxygen meet efficiently. You light the tinder gently, aiming at several spots to create multiple ignition points. A single ember can fail. Once small flames appear, the teepee kindling channels heat upward and ignites the next layer. Make sure to nurture rather than force. Wait until kindling burns steadily before adding larger sticks. As embers grow, adjust pieces to maintain airflow. Too tight stacking suffocates the fire. Maintain a calm rhythm. Add wood incrementally, and you transition to sustained burning by placing larger logs onto glowing coals, not raw flames. Coals provide consistent heat to ignite dense wood. Stack logs parallel or in a crisscross to balance burn rate and airflow, and move them as needed to control intensity. If the fire smokes, produce weak flames, or goes out, follow one tip. Separate logs to expose embers, add fresh tinder and small kindling, then relight those embers. That restores oxygen flow and reignites the larger fuel efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.